everyone, welcome to our channel. This is an invitation of solar power global expansion from Hoenergy. In this video, I'm going to present you our new arrival product, high voltage battery. You can see here, it is a simple and generous home style. You can install it indoor and outdoor for your options. It has flexible applications with support to 2.55 kilowatt each pack and 5.12 kilowatt each pack for your options. It's scalable to 6 packs together as your specific demands. And it's applicable to your single phase and your 3 phases hybrid inverters. Compared with the high voltage battery in the market, our LFP prismatic battery cell have high safety secured by the integrated superior vehicle level BMS. It has high power emergency backup when shorted. That is all brief introduction of our high voltage battery. We will take that product to our global expansions. If you have any interest in our exhibitions or our products, please feel free to contact us. We warmly welcome you. See you next time.